Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. I am V. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My old subscribers, thank you for returning to watch another video. It's a one color eyeshadow today and I'm using the BH Cosmetics with Shoppe Cotton Candy. If you come across this, pick it up. It is cute. I am liking it, and one color eyeshadow, simple, quick, getting ready to go out the door or just to run some errands or just to sit back at home, relax on your day off, have a cup of coffee and read a book. Okay, let's start. Please get your palettes out. Let's have fun. Let's create something beautiful because we are all beautiful. Let's get this party started. Let's get this rock and roll. I'm using a shimmer. I am back with the complete look. I used the color Swirl today, and this is what Swirl looks like. This is a one color eyeshadow look. Simple, quick, face powder, eyeliner, And you can go if you want to put blush like I did, that's okay. But this is the complete look. Menopause sweat, but we're rolling. Today's quote is by William Makepeace Thackeray. Thackeray. William Makepeace Thackeray. Under the magnetism of friendship, the modest man becomes bold, the shy, confident, the lazy, active, or the impetuous, prudent, and peaceful. Today's quote is by William Makepeace Thackeray. It says, under the magnetism of friendship, the modest man becomes bold, the shy, confident, the lazy, active, or the impetuous, prudent, and peaceful. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And this quick slick that I received from BoxyCharm, I used this on the side of my hair today. It really kept it down. I am liking it. It is working. Again, please check the description box for my Amazon link to order my first published book. I am telling you to go out and live life. Stay fabulous. Be blessed. And remember, you are the only one that can bring joy to you. If you have joy, you're able to give joy back. A full cup that overflows is a good thing. Overflow with happiness and joy, and then share it with the ones around you. Today's look, simple eyeshadow look. Bye. See you in another video. I will see you soon. I'm going to have lunch.